In this video, I'll show you how to cancel HBO Max on your Roku TV. Step 1 is to open HBO Max on Roku TV. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the home screen. Navigate to and open the HBO Max app on your Roku TV. Step 2, go to account settings. Once inside the HBO Max app, go to the settings menu. Select Account and choose the Manage Subscriptions option. Step 3. Cancel your subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription and follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm the cancellation to stop HBO Max billing and access. So that's how you cancel your HBO Max on your Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if it was helpful, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments down below.